Money Matters is a resource for anyone who craves greater financial freedom. Here at Money Matters, our goal is to give you the best tools, advice, and up-to-date tips and strategies so that you can live your best life. We are here to help and support you on your journey toward financial freedom and entrepreneurship. Let's be honest, staying focused on your financial goals can be challenging. You know what they are, and you know you'll be better off if you stick to them. But you also have a lot going on in your life. You may be paying down debt, saving for college, helping out your aging parents financially, or catching up on retirement contributions, in addition to trying to stay financially afloat and get through the struggles of day-to-day life. It can be difficult trying to meet your financial goals when life is pulling you in all sorts of different directions. Life isn't easy, but guess what? We're here to help. You won't find any get-rich-quick schemes here. What you will find at Money Matters is information about personal finance and related topics. We will also post on related topics like simplicity, frugality, and personal development. Here at Money Matters, we believe that personal growth is systemic. So in order to improve financially, you have to improve in other areas of your life. We cover all things finance because that's right, you got it. Money matters. Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for updates. We look forward to working with you. Enjoy your personal quest toward financial freedom.